Yeah, alright, you lads, we are back. We just arrived at St. Louis. So guys, what I'm going to try to do is, this is a fantastic idea here. Because I won't have to put the helmet on. Basically, we are going to give our little hooking difficulty there. So yeah, we're basically going to do this, and then with the other one, we are going to do that on this side. Let's make sure we got all our gubbins. And yeah, and hopefully on this side, yeah, I'll be able to hook in and do that. So the helmet cam is on the back of the bike, and then we can push the bike in and out and stuff while looking dope. As a fellow passenger just told me, he said, "You look dope, mate." And he even did the English accent. All right, yeah. So without further ado, guys, let's get off the train. Thank you to everybody. Let's grab it. Oh yeah. Right now it's like 31, 32 degrees, guys. On platform A. So basically it's saying it's going to warm up another 2 degrees or so. Like 2 degrees, yeah. So let us hope for that. Alright guys, so we made the first escalator. As they say down here, welcome to the Rome of the West. I think that's what it's saying, right?
I guess, man.
If you're from down here?
Slim pickings, yeah.
The Rome, right? The Italian, like Rome, St. Louis, I don't know if that's Italian, but there's a lot of Italians in the city, right?
There are, my wife included. She's in Rome right now.
Yeah, I'm here to taste the toasted ravioli.
Good. All you need is about 24 hours here.
All right, okay.
Wow.
Oh, yeah, I'm doing about 20. I'm actually doing a challenge, cycling back to Chicago, to downtown tomorrow.
Oh, dude.
For St. Jude's, for St. Jude's.
Good for you, man.
So, yeah.
It's going to be a chilly ride, but you'll get there.
Yeah, you'll be all right. Well, tomorrow's going to warm up.
Is it?
It'll be like 45, 49.
Oh, good. All right.
So I'm doing a good like 70 miles because it's got the westerly winds, it's got the southerly kind of mix of it. This is perfect, man.
Oh, that's
Perfect
good,
time.
man. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Good for you. That's fantastic.
Anything else you recommend trying, like food-wise down here? What is it?
Barbecue.
The barbecue. All right.
Where are you staying?
I'm
Downtown?
staying Wyndham, right here downtown here.
So they've got, it's real good. You just look at Top Barbecue. They've got some, they got
Oh, yeah, okay, yeah, because this is the South already, right?
Yeah. I'll give it to them, man. They do barbecue all right.
Nice.
Their pizza tastes really goofy.
Yeah.
Yeah, they use this bizarre cheese called Provel.
Right.
I'm a Chicago guy, and it doesn't. It's an acquired taste.
Yeah.
We'll just
yeah.
put it there. Barbecue and T-Rex.
Oh, wow.
Good for you doing that.
Yeah, I got like 24 hours here, and then tomorrow morning, like 11, when I check out, I'm gonna start riding back. So like 60, 70 miles a day.
Dude, that's plenty, brother. That's
Yeah.
plenty. Take your time.
Jungle Harry is a YouTube channel. Check it out.
I will.
The last 3 rides like this, I did like 3 state rides. Charleston to Jacksonville. I did the Beltway around Phoenix. Raised about $2,500
Wow.
for St. Jude's, you know, so it's good.
I love it, man. That's fantastic. Yeah, good for you, dude. Yeah,
Thanks for this, buddy.
yeah, man. Did you like Charleston?
Oh, loved it. Yeah, I have some family there now. So we're from Chicago. We're Chicago Polish,
Okay.
but I have some family now down in Charleston. So I did like a ride, 400 miles from Jacksonville up to Charleston, through Savannah.
Oh, beautiful, man. I was just there 3 weeks ago.
Casimir Pulaski is buried in like, well, he's buried in like 7 different places, but one of the big like monuments of majority of his body is buried in Savannah, Georgia, because he died there outside outside Savannah, taking a bullet for George Washington, because he fought alongside. He was one of those European recruited generals who came over to help
Yeah.
him fight the British.
Yeah.
So actually, Casimir Pulaski, which we celebrate, you know. in
Oh, yeah,
Chicago,
Pulaski
Casimir
Day, of
Pulaski
course,
Day. He wrote the first Marine formations for the United States Marines, and they're still used till this day.
You're kidding me.
Yeah, he was an excellent. He was like when George Washington recruited him, and he said, "Hush, hush, I need you to come here, help me fight the British. I'll pay you whatever you say." But he was at the time, Pulaski was the most like he had the best win record. Like he had the best. Like,
Wow.
Because Poland at the time was fighting like 3-4 countries at a time.
Oh, yeah, always.
Russia, we had the Swedes up north, we had the Turks, the
Right.
Ottoman
Oh, of
Turkish
course, the
Empire was
Turks,
coming
yeah.
up.
Yeah,
So
right.
we were fighting the Turks in the south, the Russians in the east, and the Swedes up in the north. So he was like one of the most decorated. He had the best win record, like for war.
Yeah.
So yeah, George Washington recruited him to say, "Hey, come down here."
Come on out. We need a little help.
Yeah, and he took a bullet. His armies went down first, and he said to George Washington's army, "Hold up, let me do a little recon in the Savannah, like Richmond Hill in
Right.
the valley."
Yeah.
And that's where the British struck. And so it would have been Washington that went down there, you know.
Yeah. Yeah.
And so when he took a bullet for him, they actually gave him George Washington gave him a full Mason's, like a Freemason's burial.
Oh, yeah. Right.
But
Right.
his body was all over the place. So some of it was sent back to Poland, some of them was sent back to his estate up north, like in Delaware,
Yeah.
and then most of it